Golden Scans, it's Radio 1. 413 we've got, you're right. Right, we do have some text being read out by celebrity at 4:45 today, like we do every Wednesday. You know, don't get text as well as voicemail messages. There is a slight problem this week. There's been a cock-up with Dora. She's not actually booked any celebrity. But we are working on that, and whatever happens, there will be some alert text, maybe with a celebrity, at 4:45 today on Radio 1. Bit of innuendo bingo for you. Thank you, Jamie in Worcester, for doing this one on Radio 2. Tell you what, you really are better off listening to Radio 1. It's filth over there. This is on Stuart McConey's show on Radio 2.
But I already had a reputation by then.
By then? Yeah, well, everything goes busy.
You would finger me, wouldn't you,
You would, absolutely would. She's talking about the police, apparently, which is nice.
But I already had a reputation by then.
By then? Yeah, well, everything goes busy.
You would finger me, wouldn't you,
You would, absolutely would.